Hey everybody, it's Neil. Welcome to my office, and today I have this is tissue paper. I mean, I don't know, it's weird. But I'm gonna check it out and I'm gonna give you a review anyways of it because I need tissue paper for a lot of my wrapping and packing needs and whatnot. So we're gonna try this. A lot of gifts coming up, and gifts is past weekend. I actually used a few of these sheets already, so this is not my first time opening it. But I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. I'll bring it down a little bit here so we can open it up and show you guys the size. So this is the size of the paper. So you can see it comes with a zillion pages. I have no idea how many there are. But this is what it looks like. And here's one of the pages. You see it's super thin and it's great for packing and stuff. It's got some strength to it, some rigidity. But it is basic tissue paper at a really good price. And I'd say if you're wrapping something up, it would just wrap up and go good. You can see this is about how transparent it is with something black. It would take, so that's 2 layers, 4 layers. It takes about 4 layers to actually hide whatever the color of it is, I guess. So that's what it is. So this is the tissue paper, and I'm not sure what brand it even is. It's the OC 189-1, but I'll look it up and let you guys know what the brand is. But I like it. It's a thumbs up from me. It does what it needs to do. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. And the link is in the description to pick one of these up for yourselves. Bye.